How to fix delayed Instagram post or Reels option not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix delayed Instagram post or Reels option not showing. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into that video. Launch Instagram app, then sign in to your account. Go to profile icon at bottom right corner. Choose particular post or reel that you wanna delete. Select three dots at top right, and if you don't find the delete option like mine at bottom of the screen, simply follow this few things. First, update Instagram. Open Play Store or App Store. Select the search icon at bottom right corner and the search bar at top of the screen and type in Instagram. So if you see update button next to Instagram, tap on it and update it to the latest version. Once you do this step, open settings. Scroll down. Locate apps, select it. Now tap app management at top. Once you're on the section, manually scroll down or you can use search bar at top to find Instagram. Open it. On the app info page, select storage uses. Now tap clear cache. So this can help resolve issues with missing options. Once you do this, you can reinstall the app. If clearing cache doesn't work, you can uninstall and reinstall. So tap and hold it and tap the trash button. Tap uninstall and reinstall from Play Store. If Instagram has placed restrictions on your account, some features like deleting posts may be temporarily disabled. For this, you can easily contact Instagram support if this persists. So following this method, hope this issue fixed for you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.